Okay, so good morning, everyone. We are Dayrene, Sarmad, Kien, Burak, and myself, Gianluca. Sorry for the low resolution logo, but we are here to propose you a system to enable accurate, secure, and safe data collection for healthcare. But how? As we all know, one of the problems in healthcare facilities and intensive care units is the fact that they need to be completely free from radio frequency. And in that regard, we want to exploit one of the many advantages of light to solve this very issue. Light is everywhere around us, right? We use it to see, evaluate, and constantly monitor the world around us. So, why not use it also in hospitals to help with critical patient monitoring? Our idea is very simple but powerful. Through Li-Fi enabled wearables that we call SenseWatch, we can monitor patient critical parameters like temperature and heart rate in a continuous and wireless way. So this all goes well for the patient comfort, so that also the doctors always know what's going on by simply accessing the cloud. Moreover, through a yearly subscription plan, the hospital can have access to refined data and statistics provided by us. This is bound, of course, to make their job easier. This is what we believe in, and we think it is a product that addresses a real problem in a smart and new way. So this is the business model canvas for our company, which is called Healight, by the way. So as for the key partners, we have the doctors. Of course, they face the challenge. They know what's going on in these units, and they are bound to give us very valuable feedback and also act as a midway between us and the hospital itself. System integrators, they are the ones that will physically integrate our solution and will, of course, be key to our success because they are the ones that answer to tenders, and they are the ones responsible to install our system. Universities that will help with product development and research. And other than that, we have software developers, PCB manufacturers, electronic component suppliers, and most importantly, you, the investors. As for the key activities other than the conventional product designing, monitoring, and testing, of course, marketing will be key because this is a very new solution. We look forward to spend quite some time on this aspect because, again, it is a key one. As for the key resources, we have, of course, the office infrastructure, the human resources, IP protection, and financial and administration. For the customer relationships, we basically have we want to address that in two ways. One is throughout the company website, which can be a primary hub, let's say, for the customer to go there and have general information if it's a new customer, or fill out an inquiry form to ask us questions directly so that we can respond in a very efficient and quick way. Or also contact information for sales support and also technical support. The market is, of course, mainly B2B. The destination for this product is hospitals and especially intensive care units, but also private clinics that want to be on the edge on new technologies. For the channels, we have, of course, direct sales through integrators and promotion programs and integration companies, as I was saying before, for the hospitals. For the next slide, I'm going to give word to my colleague, Sarmad.
Thank you very much. So now, after a very good presentation, I just want to say a few words on the finance of the companies. These are some estimated costs. So, for example, we need to hire some employees, some engineers, and we are also a part of this team. So we estimate it to be like zero point 0.1 million. Some equipment we need, some laptops, some equipment for the labs to develop the prototype. And then there are some resources, some prototyping, and some miscellaneous cost that could include like traveling or some other cost, for example, furniture or some rentals, some utilities. So we expect that the total money that we need, it would be around $1.5 million. And before asking for investment, we can show that the expected cost of our we will just give them offer per room of the hospital, with the cost price to us will be around 5K, and we will sell it at around $10,000. So it will be like a $5,000 profit per room. And then depending upon the number of patients in the room, we will sell the Sense watch, which costs us around $100, and we will sell it at $200. And we are also giving some, because we have a lot of data from the patients, we can give the data analysis subscription to different companies at around 550K per year. So we expect around a profit of 430K per year, starting from year 2 or year 3, before starting from like year 2 or 3 after development of the system. So from our angel investor and from all the stakeholders, we are able to gather around 0.5 million. So from Apurav, we want investment of around $1 million at 30% equity in our company. So I think it's a very good and scalable business. Hospitals are all around the world. We can scale it starting from Europe. We can scale it to all around the world to take the healthcare to another level. So I think this is a very good business opportunity, and with your support, we can really make a difference in the health sector.